Now what is probability distribution? So for probability distribution, we will have to study about the random variable. So please do watch the video on random variable which was taught previously. So if random variable x takes x1, x2 up till xn with respective probabilities p1, p2 up till pn, then how can we define the probability distribution? So the probability distribution associated with this particular random variable x can be defined in this form. Now x is the random variable and p of x is the probability. Since the name suggests probability distribution, it has to be in the form of a distributed manner. So for x1 random variable p1 is the probability, for x2 p2, for x3 p3 and so on up till xn, for which pn is the respective probability. Now this whole chart or this whole two rows are called as the probability distribution of given random variable x. For more details on it, please watch the next video which is based on important notes on probability distribution.